guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share my chicken Alfredo pasta recipe. In the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how much does this meal cost too. Cook this easy and fast chicken Alfredo pasta. We need half pound of broccoli, a pound of chicken breast, a bottle of chicken Alfredo sauce, a box of Bowtie pasta. In a medium pot, bring the water to a complete boil. Then add the whole box of pasta. Cook around 4 minutes. Move the pot from the burner. Let the pasta rest. Now I'm gonna cook chicken breast. This step we need 5 tablespoons oil, 5 cloves minced garlic, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon white pepper. Cook around 3 minutes until the color of chicken changes to the cooked color white. Time to add pasta, Alfredo sauce, and a cup of pasta water. Mix well, bring back to boil about 3 minutes. Add broccoli, cook another 3 minutes. Turn off the burner, let it rest for a minute. And the last step is add a cup of parmesan cheese. Our easy 15 minutes meal is done. Now ready to serve. I made about 6 servings of chicken Alfredo pasta today. And you can add parsley or basil on the top of pasta to garnish too. It's optional. Okay, let's talk about how much I spent on this meal. In this recipe, I used half pound of broccoli, cost 94 cents. I used a pound chicken. The chicken costs $3.24 per pound now. And a box of Bowtie pasta is 94 cents. A bottle of Alfredo sauce is $1.74. A cup of Parmesan cheese is around 42 cents. So add all those ingredients together, the total price cost for the whole meal is $8.26. Divide to 6 servings. Each serving costs around $1.37. Thank you for watching my video today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like to try this recipe, leave the comment below. Let me know what do you think. And see you next time.